Hey there! Are you tired of hearing about people making easy money online while you're stuck wondering how they do it? Well, here's a shocking fact: people are raking in cash on TEMU right now in 2024, and you could be one of them. So, what's TEMU? It's a rising star in the online marketplace world, where you can buy and sell all sorts of products. But here's the kicker: it's becoming a hotspot for making money. Today, I'm going to break down how you can start earning on TEMU and why this platform is gaining traction among savvy earners. Now, before we dive into the juicy stuff, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of folks think making money online is a walk in the park, but that's not always the case. Many people get discouraged because they either don't know where to start or they try a few things and don't see immediate results. Plus, there's a ton of misinformation out there about what works and what doesn't. Especially on TEMU, some might think it's just about selling products, but there are so many more layers to it. If you've felt overwhelmed or confused about how to make money on TEMU, don't worry. You're not alone, and today we're going to tackle those challenges head on. Alright, let's get into the good stuff: how to actually earn on TEMU. First things first, you gotta register and set up your account. It's super easy. Once you're in, start exploring the platform. Look at trending products. These are the items that people are searching for the most. Next, think about dropshipping. This means you can list products without holding any inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. It's a low-risk way to get started. Another great strategy is to leverage social media. Share your TEMU finds on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Create engaging content that showcases your products. If you build a following, you can drive traffic to your TEMU store and boost your sales. Don't forget about customer service. Responding promptly and keeping your buyers happy can lead to repeat customers and positive reviews, which are gold in this business. Now, here's the real kicker: the most effective strategy to maximize your earnings on TEMU is to focus on niche markets. Instead of trying to sell everything to everyone, pick a specific area you're passionate about. Whether it's eco-friendly products, tech gadgets, or fitness gear, narrowing your focus helps you target your audience better and build a loyal customer base. Trust me, when you cater to a niche, your chances of standing out and making those sales skyrocket. To wrap it up, we've discussed some key strategies for making money on TEMU. Start with a solid account setup, explore trending products, utilize dropshipping, leverage social media, and hone in on a niche market. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to seeing some serious earnings in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Have you tried making money on TEMU? Share your experiences in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos on online earning opportunities. Let's get that money-making journey started together.